everyone, Kris Morettie here for Terra. I had a chance to go shopping at Terra Milton this week and I fell in love with a hanging basket. I was walking through the greenhouse and saw the Look at Me series of hanging baskets. They're a 12-inch basket for $29.99. I saw this one and I thought, oh, that's for me. It's outside of the normal color scheme I would usually choose, but something about it just spoke to me, so I'm going to run with that. I'm actually using this as a drop-in for my Fairfield urn, so that's going to be my main focal point on my porch this season. And what I'm going to do is pull color inspiration from the blend and pop it out into some of my surrounding containers so that the entire look is cohesive. I found this pot series as well at Terra Milton. They're a fiber clay pot. They're available in a few different colors and multiple sizes. So again, I'm going with that warm color scheme and I'm going to pull my inspiration from my planter.